The best way to build long-term wealth with investing is to start as soon as possible. And of course, investing for your children can be the greatest way to go about doing that and get ahead of the curve. In today's video, I'll be exploring FutureMoney, an investment platform designed specifically for building wealth with your children. In this video, I'll walk you through FutureMoney's platform, covering their investment options, tax advantages, and even contribution features. You'll learn how their compound growth strategies actually work, the security measures they have in place for them, and the actual costs involved with all of this. Just as a quick disclaimer here, actual returns may vary, and investing, of course, will always carry a risk. This isn't financial advice, this is just for educational purposes only. Please make sure to speak with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. FutureMoney Inc. doesn't provide tax, legal, or financial advice. You can read their full terms of service at futuremoney.co. But without further ado, let's get into this video. For parents looking to invest in their child's future, the options can feel a little bit overwhelming. There are things like 529 plans, custodial brokerages accounts, UTMA or UGMA rules, tax questions, and contribution limits all create a ton of friction here. FutureMoney basically steps in to remove that friction. As an SEC registered investment advisor that partners with licensed brokerages for trade execution and custody, the platform assumes fiduciary responsibility while ensuring every dollar is held safely in a regulated account. FutureMoney's child-focused model pulls several account types under one roof so families can start with whatever contribution fits their budget. $5 a week, birthday gifts, lump sum transfers, and watch as these deposits grow together in a diversified portfolio built for an 18-year time horizon. By automating recurring contributions and tracking all family deposits in one singular dashboard, the application turns a child's greatest asset, time, into compound growth without the administrative headaches involved. This, of course, keeps many parents stuck in low-yield savings accounts if they weren't to go with this option. The platform combines several key elements: tax advantage accounts, compound growth strategies, family contribution capabilities, and financial education resources. Rather than focusing solely on education savings or retirement planning, FutureMoney takes a broader approach to wealth building that can adapt as a child's needs evolve, from education to home ownership to even retirement. In the following segments, I'll break down each of these components to help you understand if their financial approach aligns with your financial goals for your children in your lifestyle. Let's first start with the foundation of FutureMoney's platform, their account types. Unlike typical investment applications that offer just one or two account options, FutureMoney provides 5 different account structures that you can choose from, each of these serving specific purposes. The 529 plan is their primary education-focused account, offering tax-free growth for qualified education expenses from kindergarten all the way up through college. What makes their approach interesting is the ability to actually roll up to $35,000 of this account into a Roth IRA after 15 years have expired, a feature that adds flexibility beyond just a regular education expense account. There's also their junior Roth IRA account that doesn't require earned income for minors, which removes a major barrier for child-focused retirement accounts. And for more flexible access, they offer a general investing account without the withdrawal restrictions of a traditional UTMA or UGMA account. And rounding out their final offerings are traditional Roth IRAs and regular IRAs, specifically designed for long-term goals like retirement or home ownership. This multi-account approach is super strategic. Rather than forcing families to choose between savings for education or retirement, FutureMoney creates pathways to address various financial milestones throughout a child's lifespan. At the very heart of FutureMoney's appeal is their compound growth strategy. This isn't really a new concept, but they've designed their platform to maximize its impact specifically for children. The approach for this centers on starting early and maintaining consistent, even small contributions. What's particularly powerful here is how they leverage tax advantage accounts to amplify compound growth. By growing investments in 529 plans and Roth IRAs, earnings compound without being reduced by taxes each year. This tax-free growth environment means that more money stays invested and compounds over time. The platform also automatically reinvests dividends to further accelerate the growth of this account. If we look at the historical stock market performance, we can see the returns have averaged roughly around 7 to 10% per year, although actual results do vary and of course are never guaranteed. Even with that, the core idea idea still stands. All consistent contributions can compound dramatically over an 18-year childhood when invested early and managed tax efficiently. One of FutureMoney's most practical features is their family contribution system. This addresses a common challenge for parents. What do you do when relatives want to give gifts to children? Rather than accumulating more toys or clothes that either quickly lose value or don't fit anymore, FutureMoney enables family members to contribute directly to a child's investment accounts. The platform makes this super simple with shareable links for birthdays, holidays, or even special occasions. What makes this system particularly effective is how it transforms occasional gifts into a lasting financial impact. The platform also provides givers with updates on how their contributions have grown over time, creating a much more meaningful connection to the gift that they give. This approach not only maximizes the financial benefit of gifts, but it also helps reduce physical clutter in homes while teaching children about the value of delayed gratification and long-term investment planning. Now, inside of the application, your investments are going to be securely held by BNY Mellon/Perishing, which is a trusted custodian with SIPC protection of up to $500,000. This means that your investments are held by an established financial institution rather than directly just by FutureMoney. They also implement bank-level AES 256 encryption to protect personal and, of course, financial data. If we look on the cost side of things, FutureMoney uses a sliding scale fee structure that adjusts based on your income level. This approach makes their platform super accessible to any family out there, no matter what their income or their economic situation is, and with the added benefit of reduced or waived fees for lower income households. What's particularly noteworthy is their transparency around these fees. There's no hidden charges, and they clearly disclose how costs impact long-term returns in their projections. Now that we talked about its features though, let's show you guys a step-by-step guide on getting started with FutureMoney. It's super easy to do, and you guys can get started by using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, we can download this on the App Store on either our MacBook or, of course, on our iPhone. You simply hit the View in Mac Store button, which will take you to the applications where you can download this app and get started by making an account with them. Now, just really quick to cover pricing, as you can see, they have 3 main tiers that you can choose from. They have a very nice to choose from free tier here, which is free for every family who lives on less than $30,000 annually as their income. If your annual income does exceed $50,000 to $30,000 annually, you'll get a 50% discount on service fees, which, as you can see here, is only going to cost you about $2 per month. And then, of course, if your family lives on over $50,000 annually, you'll be paying around $4 per month, which will be about $48 per year in total. But that's pretty much it for FutureMoney. If you guys have questions about this platform, or if you guys want to know how to get signed up with them, make sure to comment down in the comment section. Also, of course, make sure to hit that link down in the description to get started with them. Please remember that that is an affiliate link, and we could financially benefit from it at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for supporting more videos just like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in any of our future ones.